Hello and welcome back to another video. Alright, so today I wanted to talk about Nikola and how it's just been totally selling off this past few weeks and what the future of it looks like. So, in case you guys didn't know, at the moment it's making all-time lows. Right now it's 34. Alright, this is 52-week high low, 52-week lows, and it's absurd because you saw my previous video. You saw like just on June 9th how it was hitting all-time highs of $94 a share. Now it's only $24 a share. So that's just absurd to me. And so let's talk about why. So obviously one of the main reasons that caught up to Nikola was that the fact that it actually doesn't have a product yet. It has the Nikola Badger. The Nikola Badger, that's like their main thing, but obviously nothing's produced yet, and no one's actually seen it. No one's actually seen it in person, and no one's tested it yet. That's all supposed to happen in Nikola World. The Nikola World is happening on December 3rd, so there's absolutely nothing to look forward to until December 3rd. So another thing to note is that by August 21st, there are 21 million shares, right? Of 21 million shares, of 21 million warrants, which are going to be activated, and basically that means in total there's going to be about 50 million shares which can be traded. And so a lot of these shares are of people who got in it when it was when it was before Nikola, and so a lot of them got in at $11 a share. And so right now, if it's like at 33, a lot of people are gonna either lock in profits at three times the profit, or they're gonna hold long term. So there's still gonna be a lot of volatility right now, a lot. I think it's gonna continue selling off until at least August 21st. And in the long run, just now I read on Forbes that they've opened up a plant in Arizona, $600 million plant, to get the hydrogen rolling by 2023. So long term, this could obviously change, but at the moment, in the short term, they don't have their product out, and they're hitting all-time lows. And the thing is, as a day trader, if you're a day trader, you have to view the opportunities. Like right now, actually, the MACD is converging, so you can check that out. But yeah, as a day trader, you really gotta seek the opportunities, understand when you have to invest in this company, and then if you're long-term investing, you gotta have that patience, not touch anything, just wait, understand the logistics of the company, understand like things are gonna get worse, and they could get worse before they get better. Like this is not the worst of it potentially, but this could be the worst as well. So be prepared for both scenarios, and that December 5th is Nikola World, and during that time they could really, really change the way of the direction of this whole company, because if they can get a product out, people can test it, people can see that the product is efficient, if they can see that the product is, effective, then that could really just change close all the doubters of the company, etc. And another thing, like I mentioned in all my videos, especially my previous one, you don't want to trade a stock when the overall trend is against you. You want to trade a stock when the trend is in your favor. Right now, Nikola, is at a downtrend, and it just doesn't make sense as a day trader to trade, because the overall pattern is against you, and it's going to be harder for you to find those opportunities and for you to penetrate those opportunities to make profit. So, for you guys looking to invest in a Nikola now, thinking that's very low, for sure go ahead, do your own research, but beware that the trend is not in your favor. So you got to be wary, and you got to be cautious that it could always change and it could always get worse. So do your research, understand the technical analysis side, understand that nothing's happening until Nikola World, and if you're in it for the long run, sure, but it's going to be a long, long run. And if you're day trading, view the opportunities, seek out the opportunities, be patient, don't have FOMO, isolate your emotions, and focus on the patterns. All right. Um, so if you guys learned something from this video today, please leave a like. That's the goal always, to learn more than what you knew before. Subscribe if you haven't already. I post every day, and I will see you all tomorrow.